Today, I'm going to show you how to add two-step verification in Grammarly so you can protect your account with an extra layer of security. Two-step verification helps keep your Grammarly login safer, especially if you use it for school, work, or important writing projects. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Grammarly account using your normal email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Grammarly dashboard. From here, look for the account area because that's where Grammarly keeps your security and profile settings. Click on your account and then choose the setting option from the menu. Inside the settings section, look for the option labeled two-step verification. This is the security feature that lets Grammarly confirm it's really you when someone tries to access your account. Once you find it, click on it to open the verification settings. Now you should see the option to turn it on. Click Turn On to start the setup process. Grammarly may ask you to confirm whether it's actually you before continuing, so follow the prompt carefully. This is a normal security step and it helps protect your account from unauthorized access. After that, Grammarly will guide you through the rest of the setup on screen. Depending on the method available, you may be asked to verify your identity and complete a few quick steps to finish enabling two-step verification. Just follow each instruction exactly as it appears and make sure you complete every prompt before moving on. Once the setup is complete, your Grammarly account will have two-step verification enabled. That means the next time you sign in, Grammarly may ask for an extra verification step in addition to your password. This is a simple but very effective way to keep your account secure. And that's it. You've successfully added two-step verification in Grammarly. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in protecting your account. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.